Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to transfer money from Binance to Bitmart. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video without wasting any time. So first we have to open Binance, and once we are in the Binance, tap on the wallets on the bottom right corner, then tap on withdraw. Again tap on withdraw, and over here we have to search for USDT or any coin which you want to transfer from Binance. So in this case I have selected USDT as my coin. When I will tap on that coin, we have to choose the first option, which is send via crypto network. After selecting that option, we will see this type of interface. So in the first one, we have to paste the deposit address of USDT. So now it's time to open Bitmart. Open Bitmart. So once we have successfully logged in into Bitmart, we have to tap on this deposit option. Now tap on this search bar and search for the coin. So here I have searched for USDT. Now we have to choose the network, and it is the main part. So we have to choose the right network on the both sides. So over here I will select BEP20 and then tap on confirm. So here we got the address of USDT BEP20. Copy this address and then open again and then come back into a Binance application again. Then paste that address over here. Then tap on that network and again select the same network, which was BEP20. Now this is the last part. Here we have to write down the withdrawal amount which we want to send to Bitmart. After writing down the withdrawal amount, we have to tap on withdraw and then confirm our payment. And this is how you can transfer money from Binance to Bitmart. I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.